Hello guys, it's Tunde here. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to install Active Directory module for PowerShell using Windows 10. So if you have Windows 10 and you want to be able to run specific PowerShell commands that can pull details of your Active Directory using LDAP, uh, this is why you want to watch this video because I will show you how to do that. Now, in order to do it is very simple. If you're currently running Windows 10, one of the latest versions starting from 2019 upward, you need to go to Start first. Next is you type option, just type option here, and one of the options you're going to see is add optional feature. This will take you to manage optional feature right over here. And the next thing to do is click on add feature. Then scroll all the way down until you find the remote server administration tools, which is this one. So this is the one that we need. RSAT Active Directory Domain Services and Lightweight Directory Services Tools. Click install. All right, it's all done. Now, for you to check whether this is working or not, just go ahead and launch PowerShell. Make sure you are logged in to your domain and then you can run get AD user and the UPN or the name of the user that you're looking for. And that's the video, guys. Have a great day.